Oh, yeah. Soak a little bit more. I mean,
Want some more?
I think that'll be perfect. That'll be good. Because these will dry out. And I turned them up like to 390 or something.
Yeah, I turned them up.
Yeah. If we could get the salads, the fruit.
I don't think we have to cook it that long.
No. But those last like 100 years anyway.
Yeah, they do. They pretty much do. One thing about hot dogs, I don't think they ever skip it.
Okay, got those. I got the stuff turned off. The grill is off. We have forks. Forks over there.
Did we have forks, Danny? Did you check?
Napkins.
Oh, we got some napkins in there.
Did you check about the forks?
Well, they ought to be drying the
Dishwasher.
dishwasher.
Okay, well that's all right.
I didn't know. I got rid of a lot of that plastic stuff. So use regular forks. What do we need there? You have any in the drawer, Daniel?
So did the beans look hot when you stirred them?
The what?
Did the beans look hot?
They look pretty much. Leave them on.
Okay.
Here.
Buns out here. Smashing buns. I smashed them. I gotta get my sunglasses off.